Hello everyone, Vince here. So today I'm going to show you how to redeem your CrypticMag tokens or MAG tokens and HTMLcoin with the redeem codes that you get from CrypticMag. So you do that from the Althash web platform and you need to open up your wallet. I've got a few videos on how to generate and restore your wallets. So I'm going to restore mine from a key file. Right. So my first redeem code for HTMLcoin is simply HTMLcoin. So you go to the CrypticMag dApp, redeem HTMLcoin. This is my HTMLcoin address. Confirm. Done. And then it's the same for CrypticMag. CrypticMag redeem code. Usually it's a long string of letters and numbers, but this is just for a video. Alright, and my CrypticMag address. Now this is an HTMLcoin address which I've assigned to CrypticMag. If you're not sure how to do that, please have a look at the other videos. And that's it, guys. Successfully sent, and those would be in my wallet shortly. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thanks, goodbye.